Ever wondered, when you're streamlining your appointments and managing your schedule with Setmore, where exactly is the magic happening behind the scenes? Is it a sprawling tech campus in Silicon Valley? A quaint office nestled in a European capital? Or perhaps a remote team distributed across the globe, all contributing to this powerful scheduling tool? Today, we're pulling back the curtain to answer that very question. Where is Setmore located? It's a question that many users, both new and seasoned, often ponder. In an increasingly digital world, where software and services can feel like they exist purely in the cloud, it's easy to forget that there are real people, real offices, and real locations that form the backbone of these operations. And understanding that can offer a deeper appreciation for the company and its commitment to its users. Setmore, as many of you know, has become an indispensable tool for countless businesses and individuals worldwide. From barbershops to consultants, fitness instructors to legal firms, it simplifies the complex task of appointment booking, reducing no-shows, and freeing up valuable time. It's a testament to the power of well-designed software that it can seamlessly serve such a diverse array of industries and professionals. But to understand its global reach, it helps to understand its origins and its physical footprint. So, let's get right to it. Setmore's main headquarters is located in Portland, Oregon, in the United States. Specifically, you can find them at 1033 Southeast Main Street, Suite 5, Portland, Oregon, 97214, U.S. Now, for those unfamiliar with Portland, Oregon, it's a city known for its vibrant tech scene, its progressive culture, and its beautiful natural surroundings. It's a hub for innovation, attracting talent from various fields, including software development. This makes it a fitting home for a company like Setmore, which thrives on technological advancement and user-centric design. But while Portland is its primary base, it's important to understand that Setmore's operations extend far beyond a single office building. In today's interconnected world, a company's location is often more nuanced than a single physical address. Setmore, a product of Anywhere Works, an American software company, boasts a global team. This means they have employees spread across at least 4 continents: North America, Asia, and Europe. This distributed workforce is a significant advantage, allowing Setmore to offer 24/7 human support, something that truly sets them apart. Imagine being able to get assistance with your scheduling software at any time, day or night, no matter where you are in the world. That's the power of a globally distributed team. This global presence isn't just about support. It also speaks to the diversity of talent and perspectives that contribute to Setmore's development and improvement. Having employees in different regions means they can better understand the unique needs and challenges of users in various parts of the world, leading to a more robust and adaptable product. It fosters a truly international approach to software development, ensuring that Setmore remains relevant and effective for its diverse user base. The company was founded in 2011, and since then, it has steadily grown its user base and expanded its features. This growth is undoubtedly influenced by its strategic location in a tech-forward city like Portland, which provides access to skilled professionals and a supportive ecosystem for software companies. Being in Portland also likely influences the company's culture, which often emphasizes innovation, work-life balance, and a collaborative spirit. Furthermore, Setmore is more than just an online booking platform. It's a comprehensive scheduling solution. Its integrations with other popular tools like Square, Stripe, PayPal, Zoom, Google Calendar, and even Constant Contact highlight its commitment to being a central hub for business operations. These integrations are crucial for businesses looking to streamline their workflows and manage everything from appointments and payments to video meetings and email marketing, all from one place. And the ability to seamlessly connect with these various platforms often requires a dedicated team of developers, product managers, and support staff, all working together, regardless of their individual physical locations. The fact that Setmore is part of Anywhere Works, a company focused on helping the world work anywhere, further reinforces the idea of a flexible and distributed operational model. This philosophy is embedded in Setmore's very essence, enabling businesses to manage appointments from anywhere, whether they're in a physical office, working remotely, or on the go. The existence of mobile apps for both iOS and Android platforms is another testament to this anywhere mentality, ensuring that users have access to their schedules and client information right in their pockets. In essence, while Setmore has a definitive headquarters in Portland, Oregon, its true location is far more expansive. It resides in the cloud, in the hands of its global support team, and on the devices of its countless users across the planet. It's a prime example of how modern technology companies can have a physical anchor while simultaneously operating on a truly global scale. This blend of a fixed physical location with a flexible, distributed workforce allows Setmore to combine the benefits of a central hub with the responsiveness and reach of a worldwide team. It's this hybrid approach that enables them to continually refine their product, offer excellent support, and remain a leading force in the online appointment scheduling space. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.